Hey guys, welcome to Essentials. With every pantry, there's some staples that I like to include in all of my cooking. So I'm really happy to be sharing my roast garlic. You're really gonna be able to elevate soups, stocks, sauces, pretty much anything. I'm gonna take a whole bulb, and I'm just gonna take the very top off, and I'm just gonna take a little of the end off, just a little bit. Once you have all these bulbs clean like this, you're just gonna set them into this pan, right to the bottom. We're gonna cover the product about halfway up with just veggie oil. And this is about 2 quarts of vegetable oil. And then we're gonna roast it in the oven. All right, roast garlic's been cooking for about an hour and a half. We're gonna let this cool down for about an hour till it's nice and cool. We'll remove it out of the oil, let it cool. You know, once you have it cooled to this point, the cloves just kind of fall right out. And you have this nice golden roast garlic. Once you take them out, I'll store them in an airtight container. I'll put some of the roast garlic oil back into them. Go for it, guys. Make some roast garlic. See you soon.